Hello, my dear lovely people. How are you all? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. At this moment, I am in the office. Today, weather is very hot, and from uh, early morning, uh, I am feel warm. I am feel in the outside weather is very hot. That's why I come in the inside the room. I'm taking rest sometime. After that I will go outside again. Actually, most of the work uh, I am working outside most of the work, and I know very well how is going in the outside, basically weather condition. I am share it for overcome my weakness, and I wanted to I wanted to feel everything in English. That's why I think mm, I translate Bangla to English in English when I get free time. I know I make many mistake. After that, I do it regular basis because in because I wanted to put speaker in in future. It's the main reason, and there are no way to improve spoken English without practice, and without practice. It's a uh, when I overcome my weakness, or when I improve my vocabulary, when I extension my vocabulary storage, at that time I will be able to do better thing in my career, and I can explain everything easy way in English. Sometime I thought that uh, if someone do it, why I am not? Why I cannot do it? From this fear, I try to do better thing, and actually. Now I am making this video at this moment. I cannot remember what I say at this time, and but I try to continue. I try to continue this job because it's a one. I am going to first step that time. There are many obstacles come in front of me, and one struggle. I cannot memorize many things when I start making the video, and that's why I try to continue my speaking for talking randomly, and after that once a time maybe I will be able to do something better. That's why I shared to you at this time. It's a morning time, and I have no more time for making the video, and I like short video because I wanted to improve my spoken English. Thank you for watching my video.